So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Rivian Automotive put options here in Canada, ticker symbol RIVN, here on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple opened up on your device, go to the bottom bar here and press on the search bar or press on the magnifying glass. Then once you're on the Discover screen, what you can either do is go to the search bar here at the top and type in ticker symbol RIVN for Rivian Automotive. Go ahead and press on that, press on buy, and then press on options. Another way you can do that as well, if you don't want to do it that way, is you can just simply go back out all the way to the Discover screen, press on where it says options or upside crypto, go to where it says more, it's sort of in the bottom right, right behind or right underneath TQQQ. Press on more, and then simply scroll down until you come across Rivian Automotive, which I believe, did I pass it already? I think I did. Oh, yeah, right here, Rivian Automotive, press on that, and there you go. Now, if you want to buy Rivian Automotive put options, what you have to do is at the top here where it says Rivian Automotive will rise by, press on where it says rise and change that to where it says put options. So press on put option right here, and it should say now RIVN will fall by, and if you want to change the expiry date, press on the date right here, and you can go ahead and select whatever expiry date that you wish to buy. Now, if you wanted to go in the money or out of the money, that is completely up to you. But for demonstration purposes, we're going to go out of the money here and do this strike price of $21 USD. And if you wanted to, solidify this purchase and finalize this purchase, go to the bottom and press on buy, and there you go. That is how you guys can buy at Rivian Automotive put options here in Canada, ticker symbol RIVN here on Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.